Hi, dear children. Today we are going to learn about the civilization which is a part of our history. What is history? History is the word which is derived from the Greek word historia, that means inquiry or knowledge acquired by investigation or study of past. History is an umbrella term that relates to the past events as well as the memory, discovery, collection, organization, presentation, and interpretation of the information about these events. History helps us to develop a better understanding of the world. Through history, we can learn how past societies, systems, ideologies, governments, cultures, and technologies were built and how they have operated and how they have changed, so that we can better understand how it works now and where we stand today. Herodotus, the Greek historian, has been called the father of history, an engaging narrator with a deep interest in the customs of the people he described. Now, let us come to the topic civilization. Civilization is the stage of human social development. It is the process by which a society reaches the stage of development in a particular area. It also impacts the way of life in different ways. River Valley can be termed as the mother of civilization. That's why all the early civilizations grew up in the river valleys, like the Indus Valley civilization, which grew up on the banks of the Indus River, the Mesopotamian civilization on the banks of the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, the Egyptian civilization was on the banks of the Nile River, and the Chinese civilization on the banks of the Huanghe River. Now, let us try to understand something more about Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization was first discovered in 1920-21 during the excavations conducted at Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. It is known as the Indus Valley civilization because it was located and flourished on the valley of the river Indus. It is also known as the Harappan culture because the civilization was first discovered at Harappa. Harappa was the biggest city among the excavated sites. The boundaries of the Indus Valley civilization are Sadgajandor in Balochistan in the west, Alamgirpur in Uttar Pradesh east, and in the north Manda in Jammu and Kashmir, and in the south part Dayamabad in Maharashtra. Apart from Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, there are some other major sites like Kalibangan in Ganganagar district of Rajasthan, Ropa near river Satluj in Punjab, Banavali in Hisar district of Haryana, Alamgirpur in Meerut district of Uttar Pradesh, Lothal, Rangpur, Rojdi and Dholavira in Gujarat, Kojiri, Amri, Chanudaro in present-day Pakistan, Sadgajandor on the east coast of South Balochistan. The two new recently excavated sites are Rakhigari in Haryana and Dholavira in Kutch, Gujarat. are main sources of information for the Indus Valley civilization are the archaeological remains like seals, ceilings, statues, ornaments, pots and buildings like the Great Granary at Harappa and the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro. The Indus script, though discovered, has yet not been deciphered and still remains a puzzle for the historians. The Harappan cities were very well planned. Most of these cities were divided into two parts, the upper town or the citadel and the lower town. Most public buildings or special buildings such as the storehouses, the assembly or town hall, the great bath of Mohenjo-daro, fire altars were built around the citadel. Lower town was generally to the east of the city and it was larger but lower than the citadel and served as the residential area where the common people lived. In the houses of the common people were generally 1 or 2-storied buildings. And the Harappan people had an excellent and well planned drainage system. This proves that they paid great attention to sanitation and cleanliness. In Mohenjo-daro, the main street was over 800 meters long and 10 meters wide. The Harappan society consisted of 4 main classes. They were learned class, warriors, traders and artisans, and manual laborers. Excavations and evidence from seals point out to a rigid, uniform and highly bureaucratic form of administration in the Indus Valley civilization. Both men and women wore ornaments and indoor games were more popular with the Harappans. They enjoyed dancing and singing. The Harappans were skilled potters. Their main weapons were axes, spears, daggers, slings, etc. Agriculture was the main occupation and people used plows to farm their lands. And some other main occupations were cattle rearing, pottery making, spinning, jewelry making, bead making, masonry and bricklaying, bronzesmith and tool making. Many statues and figures of humans and animals have been unearthed from various Harappan cities. Among them, the statue of a priest king and a dancing girl discovered from Mohenjo-daro are worth mentioning. One of the seals has a male deity with 3 faces and eyes and was seated in a yogic posture surrounded by wild animals on each side. It is considered to be the prototype of Lord Shiva. One of the significant features of the Harappan people was the worship of a female divinity, the mother goddess. The Indus Valley civilization flourished for more than 6 centuries. It began to decline around 3900 years ago when the people began to move to newer settlement towards the east and south. These are some reasons for the decline of the Harappan civilization. Natural calamities such as earthquake, flood, diseases, etc. Gradual drifting of the course of the Indus River, deforestation, invasion by the Aryans or any other tribes, loss of control by the ruling class, sudden and violent death of people. Children, through this video, I tried to explain a little bit about Indus Valley civilization. Thank you, and we will discuss Mesopotamian civilization in the next video.